Today, we're talking about 5 yoga poses for beginners. Yoga is an excellent way to improve flexibility, balance, and overall physical and mental health. The first pose is the mountain pose. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and your hands by your sides, palms facing forward. Take deep breaths in and out. The second pose is the downward facing dog. Start on your hands and knees, then lift your hips up and back, creating a V shape with your body. Next, try the tree pose. Stand with your feet together, then shift your weight onto one foot and place the sole of your other foot on the inner thigh of the first foot. Hold your hands in front of your chest and breathe deeply. The fourth pose is the Warrior Two pose. Stand with your feet wide apart, then turn one foot out and bend your knee. Raise your arms parallel to the ground and look over the front arm. Finally, try the Child's pose. Sit back on your heels and stretch your arms out in front of you, pressing your forehead to the ground. Take deep breaths in and out. There you have it, 5 yoga poses for beginners. Stick with it, and you'll see improvement in your mind and body. Thanks for watching.